FineMEP introduces the brand new v19 version with amazing new features and capabilities. This demonstration video presents all the new top features of FineMEP 19 new version. FineMEP 19 provides a totally new interface with ribbon menus, as well as new functions and commands. This platform is a new user experience that modernizes the working process, offering new modeling capabilities in a less time-consuming and flexible way. The users can select to work either with ribbon menus or with traditional classic menu bars. Smart Lever Editor provides the capability to make adjustments on the building easily and quickly in every step of project lifecycle. Morphing Walls provides you with an easy way to design and visualize wall shapes with advanced architectural features. Software platform is totally redesigned as to support the third-generation BIM technology, such as the compatibility with latest DWG and IFC file format. Fine19 generate the 3D surface for cooling and thermal loads, executing the command cooling or heating surface model. This model simulates the surfaces that will be transferred to calculation module. Building supervision ensures the credibility and readability of the results. Clash detection command enables the identification, inspection and reporting of interferences in the MEP project model with beams and columns. An in-floor heating system can be generated automatically, taking into consideration the heated surface of each area. In this way, the user should define some basic parameters such as the circuit area with a polyline, the type of in-floor heating system, bifilar or meandering, and distance from sides. Once the user gets out the calculation and updates drawing, the fan coil unit's length is adjusted automatically to meet the requirements of cooling loads for each space. New, enhanced libraries with 3D objects, which can be shown in realistic view. The user can define the desired inner diameter and the pipe kind of each network segment directly from the property panel. User can define the airflow rates of a ventilation system directly on the drawing. In this way, air ducts can be sized easily, taking into account either heating and cooling requirements or the ventilation rates. Using smart algorithms, we can generate and modify easily the detailed 3D realistic model of air ducts, according to ASHRAE.